caused the death of innocents. So lastly, Mr. Chair, actually may mga isang dosenang tanong pa sana ako sa dating presidente pero na-high blood yata sila sa akin. So dalawang huling tanong na lang. Una po. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganun lang siguro kasi excited lang ako. First time ako naka-appear ng Senate. But walang personalan yan. It has nothing to do with you, yung character ko. Yung boses ko lang kasi excited. But if we are offended by the demeanor, then mag-change gear ako. I'll try to do it with moderation.
Salamat kaayo, Mr.
Continue, ma'am.
Chair.
Continue.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair.
At saka